No front brake.
Yep.
Just barely tap it.
Okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'm great. That time there was no damage.
Dude, that was sweet.
Yeah, you got a Christmas tree on your back.
Look at that thing. Nice. He just went off the road on that one.
Yep.
No, you can tell he's ridden motorcycles. He knows how to fall.
That was a tuck and roll, my friend.
Okay, buddies. Help me up.
One more time?
Hell yeah.
All right. The worst has happened, right? Yeah. At least your falls are getting better.
I think when you're hitting this bump,
Yeah.
the compression is lifting you up a little
Right.
bit. And so you're just kind of springing up a little bit, and then by the time you brake, you're going pretty fast.
Okay.
So I think what
And your seat's up, dude.
he's doing is using a little back brake on the way down.
Yeah, I think I need to do that.
Yeah, he had back brake going. Throw your weight back more, dude. Here I am, keeping you suggestions.
Yeah.
I haven't done it.
Actually, if I did that again, I'd still be happy. That nice soft landing.
That's my ammo. I usually find the bushes.
Hey, helmet cam.
Oh, thanks.